track ownership and running on a track, it's actually taken very serious. You have people that will travel all over the state, in fact all over the country, to race on these RC tracks. So the owners of the tracks really try to take as much pride, put as much effort into the tracks that we can to make it fun for the racer. So we'll design them in such a way where, of course, they drain, but it's challenging, interesting, keeps the drivers on their toes, but at the same time allows newer folks to be able to come out and drive it as well. So in order to do that, we spent a lot of time going over the tracks. So once after we build them, then there's preparation of filling the holes. It's off-road, so it's okay for them to be rough, but you don't necessarily want your track to get all blown out, holes all over the place. The faces of the jumps will carve out. These cars traveling through there, especially the 8-scale buggies, some of the trucks, they're pretty destructive. Those tires are turning, and they're literally just gouging and cutting the track up. So we spend time coming in behind them, filling the holes. If you get the holes in the wrong place, it actually becomes dangerous, too much of a challenge for the driver. So we'll water it, 1, to provide traction, 2, to keep the dust down, and 3, keeping the track wet, at least in the case of our track, actually helps maintain the track, so that as the cars pass over it, their tires actually kind of grade or smooth the track out.